Hi, my name is Louise, and welcome to our vegetable garden, where we grow all kinds of delicious things. Do you have a favorite fruit or vegetable? What is the difference between a fruit or vegetable? Fruits come from flowers and have seeds, while vegetables are the other edible parts like leaves, stems, and roots. When you cut open an apple, you see seeds, but when you cut open a potato, they have no seeds. All plants have their favorite conditions to grow. Look around. What have we done to give these plants the right amount of sunlight, water, and sometimes support to stand up? Why do you think we have our owl house located next to the veggie garden? We're not the only animals that like to eat fruits and vegetables. What have we done to protect them in this garden? How does this help protect our plants? How do we water the plant? Is it with small tubes and hoses? Look out for them. Whenever you finish exploring the vegetable garden, you can follow the path to your left to go to the sensory garden or the path to the right to go to the formal garden.